Welcome to the show. We have a different treat today. We will be doing our expo with actual teachers. This is an actual food tasting with our culinary arts students, and they worked and refined their recipes at home.
Some of the recipes we have are gumbo, brisket, hot and spicy chicken.
So let's take a closer look at what our students put together for you today.
So one of the really cool things with this project is that it actually started in the library. Ms. Ferris and I worked together to create a research project. So we went over some of the basic research skills with the students, some of the tools that ACPS provides, the credible sources that they can use. We used both digital and physical resources, and it's really cool that now we're at this stage where there's a bunch of presentations. The food's delicious. I wish more projects ended that way.
My person was Deborah Van Dries. She is a culinary chef from Missouri, and in her macaroni and cheese, she puts bacon and pecans.
I liked the macaroni and cheese with the pecan topping. That was really good. The brisket was really good. Basically everything I tasted was really good. So I'm not really a chef, but if I had detailed instructions, I think I could figure it out. Yeah.
One thing I loved about the dishes was the flavor. It was off the charts, and I also liked how the kids had to do their own research about not only the dish, but the chef who inspired the dish, who created the dish. Can I cook gumbo? Ooh, see, I don't know. I said I was gonna try to cook it, so I'm a little dabble in it, see if it's giving the New Orleans people, pride.
Well, that was great to see our young people in the kitchen. Remember, if you're new to cooking, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just be creative and try your best. I'll see you next time.